Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Up, and thank you for joining me on this particular how to video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Google My Business account on your mobile phone. So the first thing you need to do is to come and search for map. All right, you search for map or just navigate to map on your phone, your normal Google map. All right, you click on it. I believe it should be pre-installed on every device. Now, then you, depending on how many emails you have, the particular email you want to use for this Google stuff, you'll find it out. All right, you get it. And if you have, you choose the email, I want to use Life Clinic Podcast to create what I want. All right. So then when you get to this particular dialog, or maybe the first one, maybe this is where you get to, since you are clicking on map. So the next thing you want to do is to click on this particular place. All right. So click on this particular place. Your picture might be the one there. And after you are done clicking, then click on add your business. Add your business. Click on add your business. You can see it. So then it will take you to a particular website. Of course, the Google My Business website on mobile, and you can create what you have there. Okay, good. So this is what we want to do now. So it says Google My Business. What is your business name? So let me just call it Life Clinic. Life Clinic Podcast. Right. So I'm calling it Life Clinic Podcast. Said create a business name with this. Yes, that's correct. So what is your business category? I'm going to choose educational consultant. So I'm going to choose educational consultant. All right. So, and of course you can change this later. So when you are done, you click on next. So it's asking, do you want to add the location customers can visit, like a store or office? If you want to add, you click yes. If you don't want to add, you click no. Right. So then next. So where do you serve your customer? You put in your service area. Where do you serve? Lagos, Ibadan, Akure, wherever you serve, make sure you put the service area in this particular place. Then you click next. Of course, it's optional. So what region is your business based? So you put the region your business is based. So mine is based in Nigeria. So you click where your location is, wherever you're watching this from. So you click then Nigeria or wherever your location is. You click next. You add your phone number, and if you have a website, you also add it. So do you want to get update? So before your Google My Business is approved, it must be verified. I'm going to make another video how you can verify your Google My Business on mobile, right? So but this particular video is just for you to be able to set up your Google My Business, so you can just say verify later. All right, so it is career educational consulting. I can put career, what are my services, and I can put, additional services like podcasting. Or maybe I can call it educational. Okay, I'll call it a do podcast. So you can add it, then click on next, and of course you can customize this later. So when do you open? So you can click on it, fill in the details when you get to yours. So do you want to accept messages? So you decide whether you want to accept messages. Yes. Then your description. All right. You can put this one now, or you can, fill it in later. Then it's also very, very important you add photos. Let me see if I can get a photo from here. So you can add photo from your mobile. Let's just choose a photo. So, but basically it should be photo, because when you add photo, it makes customers trust your business. So it's important you have photos of your product if you are selling products, photos of your service if you are, service. So let me just add this. So you click next. So you can claim your free 300 naira advertising. You can edit this. Okay, so we can continue. So this is how your business is look like when it's active or when it is verified. So the next video I'll be sharing is how to get your Google My Business verified. All right, thank you so much. If you like this video, click on the like button, click on subscribe, share this video, and let other people also create Google My Business account for their businesses. All right, see you in the next video, and God bless you.